Hi, Milorad here. Today I am going to bake or roast, depends how you call this way of cooking. And here I have a beautiful head of cauliflower that I'm going to prepare for roasting or baking. We will see. What's the difference between roasting and baking? Actually, nobody knows, but in theory is roasting is higher temperature and it can be done outside of oven, that means on the grill. But baking is a little bit lower temperature and it can be done on the oven. Well, I'm not sure if that is true or not, but we are going to cook this beautiful cauliflower today. Now I'm going to do first is I'm going to trim it a little bit, and then we will go and blanch this cauliflower in this Dutch oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's go and trim this cauliflower first. Okay, I have this beautiful head of cauliflower and I'm just going to trim this outer leaves and stem because we don't need them. Especially these big ones. Okay, I think I'm going to keep these smaller leaves just for a little bit of color and presentation. Okay, I think I trimmed it good because I wanted, and especially when I start baking or roasting, I need it to kind of stay flat like this in the baking pan. This one doesn't look really nice. I will trim it a little bit. Okay, it looks pretty good. And this is kind of medium size or maybe even on the smaller size of cauliflower, and that's what I want because I'm the only one eating this kind of stuff, and big one is too big for me. This is exactly right size. Okay, now we have this Dutch oven ready. And I will put lots of salt in it. And also I have this seasoning. This is Vegeta from Croatia. And I like to put this thing, it's a dry vegetables and some spices and salt as well, but it gives you beautiful flavor. Okay, and now my cauliflower goes in. Our cauliflower, I think it's ready, and we are going to check. And I use this paring knife and I will just stick it in, and it goes pretty easy inside. That means this is ready. And now we will go and prepare it for baking or roasting. I think it's roasting because we will go with temperature of 425 to begin with. We have our cauliflower blanched, and now I need to take it out, and I'm just going to drain as much water as possible from this cauliflower. And actually I will let it stay and drain maybe for even 10-15 minutes. We are ready to start roasting our cauliflower, and first thing to do is I'm going to put some melted butter just to use this brush and spread it around. I think that should be enough for this time. So I want to put some of these sesame seeds. Okay, that looks good. And also I will put this garlic to bake, because later on I will use this baked garlic to make something that will go with this. And I will just loose garlic a little bit and just stick it here. Let's put some butter at the top. And as we said, we have 425 degrees oven ready. It's on roast. And it goes in. Okay, 10 to 20 minutes, because it's kind of already soft from blanching or boiling. It will not take as much time as if you start roasting it from raw. I think it will take 10 to 15 minutes. But we will check after 10 minutes and see how it looks. What I have here is duck eggs, and I will use only one. Just one duck egg. And with this duck egg I will use half and a half instead of regular milk. And I'm kind of using a lot because I need to be pretty runny. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to beat this duck egg is very creamy, much creamier than regular chicken egg. Yolk is much bigger as well, and it takes kind of a little bit longer to beat it. It looks good to me. And now here what I have is Bella Vitano cheese from Italy, and it's kind of hard cheese, and I'm going to grate some of this cheese into this beaten egg. Okay, now let's incorporate this cheese and egg. This mixture is ready, and I will use this at the end of roasting cauliflower to pour over and to kind of make it a little bit even richer with egg and cheese. Let's check our cauliflower, see how it's doing.
It looks pretty good.
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
And this,
Even that looks good too.
even that looks good.
It smells good too.
Okay, I will take this garlic out, and this one we can apply a little bit more of this melted batter. And I see it's kind of, this side is getting more color than the other side.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why is that.
I don't know, but we can turn that around.
Yes, we will. Okay, all this butter is on now. This looks really, really good. Okay, and now we will put it this time, we will turn it this way. Okay, just a couple minutes and we will check again. It looks good so far. Here's that roasted garlic, 1 clove, and I have the rest here. And wow, look at this. It's a beautiful, beautiful garlic, and it comes out relatively easy from its skin. Look at this one. It's beautiful. Look at that. And when you roast the garlic, it doesn't have that pungent smell and taste of a raw garlic. It's just a beautiful, smooth texture, almost sweet. Okay, we have a garlic in, and here we have a plain yogurt. And with that yogurt, I will just put it here in this. And what I'm doing, actually, I'm making a little bit of a dip that we will use to dip that roasted cauliflower. I have garlic and yogurt here, and this is horseradish, and I will put 1 teaspoon of horseradish for a little bit of kick. And here I have Dijon mustard that I will also add in. This looks good. Let me taste it. Woohoo! There's a good kick from horseradish, and then also from Dijon mustard. This is really good. This is going to be a dip that I'm going to use to dip my
Cauliflower.
roasted cauliflower. Let's take out our roasted cauliflower. It should be ready. Ooh. you can hear, and now I get this color everywhere. It was on one side, now it's on both sides. And then next thing to do is, remember I made this beaten duck egg with some Bella Vitano cheese, and I'm going to pour that over. Okay, some of that went on the side, but lots of it actually went into middle of cauliflower. And that's what I wanted to do. Maybe this is a better way to do it. Back to oven for just a minute. In a minute we will be ready. Unfortunately, we need to let it cool off a little bit before I start eating. Roasted cauliflower should be ready. Okay, now I will leave it here for a couple minutes to rest, and then we will go and plate it. I'm ready to taste my roasted cauliflower that after roasting I finished by pouring egg and cheese on it. And here I have a dip from yogurt, horseradish, mustard, and that roasted garlic, all incorporated in one little dip. Now let's start eating my roasted cauliflower. Wow, look at that, look at that. Look at that inside.
It's very hot inside, isn't it?
And that egg is actually also showing up. Egg and that Bella Vitano cheese. But it's kind of still, heat is coming out. Let me carefully try one piece. I think it's good. It doesn't need to rest even more. Let me dip it into dip. This is just a beautiful, beautiful dish. And this cauliflower is just, it still have a little bit bite in it. It's not overcooked or over roasted. Still keeps the shape and has a beautiful, beautiful bite. There's some crispiness on the outside. Wow, look at this big, big, big chunk. This is just fantastic, fantastic. It's better than any meat you can think of. It's just beautiful, beautiful vegetable. Unbelievable. Very, very, very satisfied. This was my first time trying to roast cauliflower, and I think it's great, great success. I love it, love it, love it. And I will go and finish it, the rest off the camera. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this and other stuff that I put on my YouTube channel. Milorad out.